Welcome children. This is the second part of relationship of chapter 1.1 of class 3. In this part of the video, we will learn about twins, type of twins, about orphans, about sick person, about relatives. First of all, here you can see what is written, twins. Now what is the definition of twins? Twins means jurwa. When two children produced by the same mother at a time is called twins. Twins are of two types, fraternal twins and identical twins. Who are identical twins? When twins are exactly same to each other are called identical twins. And who are fraternal twins? Fraternal twins look different from each other. Their behavior are also different from each other. Here is the picture of identical twins and fraternal twins. Look, identical twins are exactly similar to each other. They look just like each other. But fraternal twins, they differ from each other by their appearance. And their behavior also are different from each other. Children, here are three new words: handicapcy, relationship and relative. First of all, I am going to describe what is handicapcy. Handicapcy, the definition is, it is the physical disability. What is physical disability? As you know, we have many organs, but any one of these organs, if they do not work properly, if we lack of any one of these organ, we will be called physical disabled. For example, blind people cannot see, deaf people cannot hear, dumb people cannot speak. Now, you can think that how blind people can read and learn. They read and learn through a special type of script known as Braille script. And deaf and dumb people can understand one type of language. As they cannot hear the sound, they cannot speak any words, they understand one type of language that is called sign language. You sometimes can see news are spoken in sign language for this type of people. Next topic is relationship. The emotional attachment with persons, plants and animals is called relationship. As you are a child, you love many things. You may love your pet, you may love your plant which you grow in your garden, and you love your parents, your grandparents, your brother, sister. So this type of attachment, you feel attachment towards them. So this type of emotional attachment with any other person, plants, animal is called relationship. The third topic is relative. Who are relatives? Members of extended family are called relatives, whom we meet in either happy occasion or sad occasion. They all do not live with us. Some relatives are grandparents, uncle, aunt, mama, chacha, fufa, bua, etc. Cousins, etc. Can you say who is mama? Mama is the brother of our mother is called mama. Brother of father is called chacha. Sister of father is called bua. And who is Phupa? Phupa is the husband of Bua is called Phupa. Mama, Masi, these are called maternal uncle and aunt. And Chacha, Bua, these are called paternal uncle and aunt. Children, here you can see on the whiteboard written there orphan and sick person. Who are orphans? As you know, we live with our family in a home. We live with our father, our mother, our brother, sister. But some children are not lucky. They have no parents. They have neither father nor mother. This type of children are called orphans. Now, sick person. People who are ill are called sick person. That means ill means bimar and sick person means who is ill. That means जिसे बीमारी हुई हो. So this type of illness may be any type due to lack of nutrients, maybe physical sickness or maybe mental sickness. To keep our body fit and fine, we should do exercise every day. And we should take 8 to 10 glass of water and healthy food. We should not eat junk food. And healthy food means balanced food which contains all type of nutrients. That means carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, protein, minerals, roughes and water also. If we take healthy nutrients, we do exercise every day, we sleep at time, we wake up at time, we take 8 to 10 glass of water, we will be healthy. So, people who are not healthy, they are called sick person. They suffer from some disease. They are very weak. They have very less immunity power. In this way, we can see that sick persons, if they take medicine, if they follow the healthy life routine, then they may become healthy. Thank you.